Yeah, so the screen on this is extremely faded. In fact, I can see a bit of... Yeah, you can see that's not right. It looks wrong. I want to see how I can repair it. I can barely see anything. I don't know if that's correct, that the screen looks this bad. Apparently there's a potentiometer inside the board. Let's see if messing with that will fix it. I saw someone else take apart the Game Boy Color on YouTube and suddenly it started working again, so... We'll see. Hey, maybe this is a bit dirty. I can try cleaning it. Okay, some isopropyl alcohol. Worst comes to worst, I have to replace the screen. There's a potentiometer on the board, but I'm assuming this is it? Okay, I'll mess with this a bit, just make the contrast a little higher. Let's see if that works. Okay, now I see green lines coming across there. Especially when I tilt this thing. Something's not right, yeah. Okay, it looks worse. Did I fuck this thing up? The screen is still like a little dotty, I guess. It looks a lot better than it did earlier. I wonder if the contrast has been set too high though. No, it's actually working properly now. Just that my camera makes it look bad. I wonder if I can turn it up a bit more. Okay, let's try max. Just to see what happens. I did feel that the contrast was a little bit too high. I didn't see any of the slightly less like bright colors. I only could see the harsh blacks, I think. Alright, let's see this. I think it looks good now. I mean, it's just really hard to tell. It looks even more faded than it did earlier, I think, on screen at least. When you look from the bottom view, it looks good, I think. I mean, from frontal face, you can barely see what's happening. Okay, let's look at Charmander. I think this is a moderate success. It still is a very dim screen, but I don't see the weird dotted lines as I did earlier anymore. Yeah, the pixels are correct. Alright, we fixed it.